Yeah, there was a proposal. There was a proposal to have an app where people could do online booking for the veneration. But then we thought not to go for it. People come to pay their respects, to honor, to venerate, and that is why we thought booking online may lose that spirit of pilgrimage. No? And that is why we said, although there is technology, people can book, save time, but we also have to be careful about other people who are standing in the queue with a spirit of penance, and having two parallel lines for those who book online, for those who don't book online, will spoil the entire spirit of the exposition. And that's why there is no app. There is an app of the church of the CCBI called Catholic Connect, which will give a lot of information about the exposition. Yeah, for the sick and the disabled, there will be a special counter wherein there will be also wheelchair facility, also buggies, also maybe e-rickshaws. We are planning for that. And we had announced this in our own parishes wherein people could register already, those who are willing to have a wheelchair facility. The church had planned this long back. There will be an art exhibition on the life of Saint Francis Xavier. We have almost 65 artists from Goa. Some of them are very young ones, and we wanted to give a lot of importance to Goan artists. So we are expecting maybe 70 or 80 lakhs, 80 lakhs, or maybe 8 million people. It's a guess, we don't know. Some may say even 10 million, but we have to be prepared.